Hey guys, I want to do a quick and easy video with you. This is one that I have put on the list to do because I told you guys my nails grow really fast, but I usually am cutting them off because I do so many DIYs and how-tos, and my hands are always doing something. So with that being said, I don't wear French manicure as much. Now, because I'm getting ready to cut my nails, because I got a lot of projects coming up, I said before I cut them, I'm going to show you guys what I do when I wear the natural French manicure look to my natural nails. So these are my natural nails, and they grow like crazy, but I'm getting ready to chop them. Off. So I'm going to show you an example of how I do it, how simple it is, and all that you're going to need. So you need some cotton balls, some white polish, and I found this quick dry glass shine at Walmart, and I'm loving it. I use it on my pedicures and everything, and it's animal cruelty free. It is a really nice polish. It dries fast and it leaves a really shiny coat. Then I got this while traveling. I needed some remover to redo my French tips one day, and I like to keep it on me, and I like the convenience of this little top. So it's like you get the nice container along with some good remover that is really quick and easy to take off. It takes off your polish. You need some Q-tips, a nail file, and a buffer. Anytime you file your nails, you want a buff to smooth out the ridges of whatever it is you just filed. And some of mine are a little misshapen, like this one. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to smooth them really quick and come back and then show you how I do the French manicure. Quick tip, when you're filing your nails, make sure to stay going in one direction. Stay going in one direction. Do not go back and forth. That'll cause ridges in your nails and really mess your nails up. And my thumbs are rebellious. These are the ones that I've always had problems with chips and breakage, and they just don't do right. So yeah, I'll always have them shorter because they break easier, and I do more with my thumbs. So I'm just going over and I'm gonna smooth them, and I'm just gonna show you how quick and easy it is to do this. Now with this is what I love about this. You take this and you kind of push it down. Let me get the bottom open. All right, and it'll squirt some stuff right into the well right there, right? That's what you're gonna need to make your smile line on your fingernail. And I'm not gonna do all of them, but I'm gonna do a couple just so you can see. That way, if you're that one that's looking for how to get good smile lines and it's just not working, use this technique. So I just go in with my nail polish, and depending on how thick and how high you want it, just kind of go in, nothing fancy. And I'm just being like a little wild with it, just to show you that you can always fix it up and make it look nice. So I always do that, and then I'll let it sit, go to another nail. Then by the time I come back, it's time for me to do another coat. So I'm gonna just do these two because they're nice size, nice length. And I also do it when my nails are really short as well. So yeah, that's it. And then I take my Q-tip and I go in with the liquid and I face it towards me, and you go in and you just clean up just like so. You clean up your smile line just like so. And anything on the side of your nails, you clean it up just like that. Now, I would have put another layer on this, but since I'm cutting my nails, I just want to give you the gist of it. So I'll put another layer on this so you can see how nice and white and pretty it looks. And I'm using a Dollar Tree polish, nothing fancy, nothing special. We want to save dimes over here, and we also want to get the look that we're looking for, right? So now we have a thicker smile line that we're going to create, nice and bright, and we're using the same Q-tip. And I'm going to go in, and you're going to nicely round off. And the longer your nails get, the wider or thicker the line is going to be because your nails are much longer. Dip it back in, and when it's wet, it's great to do it because it comes off really easy. I don't like mine really thick. So here you have it. I've created French manicure. That's a thick one, and that's a thinner one. Hold on. And I usually perfect it a little on my own, but I'm trying to do it in front of the camera, so it's really weird. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more with the Q-tip and darken this one a little bit. Look what I did. And then I'm gonna show you with the clear on it. Hold on one second. Okay, I thickened that one up as well. So we're just gonna go in and clean it. Oh, yeah, I can't see. Clean her up. Oh, you still can't see. I'm all out the camera. Didn't get anything on the side of my nail. And now we have 2 cute French tips. And then you don't even really have to let it dry that much. And you take and put your clear on it, and you'll see how cute this looks. You don't have to buy the tips. If you have nails, you can do it yourself, and just keep practicing. I've been doing this for a while because this is something I like to wear on my natural nails. And so you come in and you put your clear right over the top of it, and boom, you are ready to go on your date, girls' night, vacation, whatever, with a color that is neutral that you can wear with everything. That is how I do a quick and easy French tip on my natural nails before I chop them off because I'd rather chop them off than see them break. I'd rather just like get rid of them myself. So those are the French tips, and that's how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video, and if you have any questions, leave them below, and I will always respond back to most of my comments. If you know me, you know I usually respond back. So share this video if you like the video, thumbs up the video, and if you are new to my channel, make sure that you go and join the family by subscribing and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. And I'll be back with another video on how to DIY and save a dime. Later, gators.